In this video, I'll show you how to install the Salesforce CLI on Windows so you can manage orgs, deploy metadata, and automate tasks from your local machine. Start by searching for Salesforce CLI and make sure you open the official site from Salesforce to avoid unofficial or outdated downloads. Choose the Windows installer, then select x64 for most modern systems, using x86 only if you're on older hardware. After downloading, run the installer and approve the Windows security prompt if it appears. Follow the setup wizard, review the license agreement, and proceed with the default installation path unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once installed, you can verify it by opening Command Prompt and running the version command to confirm everything works correctly. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce development tutorials and setup guides.